Welcome to episode 27, Activated Adventures.
Goes on the go.
And we are in Bishopville, South Carolina. We have discovered a cool garden and we're happy to share it with you today. This is our first video in 2019. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! And look at this beautiful shrubbery.
Check it out. So this is kind of a hidden little gem that not many people know about. It is a topiary garden. And we're ready to explore and see all of the really cool art that somebody has made out of bushes.
To see Pearl Fryar's topiary garden. Pearl Fryar is a man.
Pearl Fryar is an artist who has done all of this topiary.
And we've met this fellow named Michael, who's been working for Pearl for the past 13 years.
It's like walking into a Dr. Seuss book.
So he made this too. He made all of these things here. Even the driveway. He spent 10 months making that driveway, pouring the concrete from a wheelbarrow.
So by hand he did it?
Yes, yes.
All right, the whole reason he began this was?
Well, as I understand it, he heard someone say something to the effect that African Americans don't take care of their yards, so he decided to show people.
And boy, did he show people.
He began more than 35 years ago, just putting out a few shrubs in front of his house, and he just took off, and it's just grown and grown. It's become an obsession.
And now there are signs off of the freeway showing you to this little neighborhood that has become a local legend.
It's a worldwide legend, actually. People come here from all over the world.
So fun to walk around. It is open. It's private homes, but it is open to the public. You are welcome to walk around the gardens.
And it is free to tour. A lot of what we see here is discarded plants. He started his garden with plants that people had thrown away and he rescued. And the same is true, of course, of the artwork. It's made from recycled materials.
It's very resourceful.
He started all of this with no previous gardening experience. This is known as the fishbone tree for some reason or other.
Because it looks like a fishbone. That's his tail.
I know. I joke you. And it's sort of his signature piece. It's his iconic, classic Pearl piece. Words peace and love appear in a lot of his artwork.
I'm noticing. Look, there's peace here. I love your face.
Absolutely brilliant.
Check it out. So not only did he do his yard, it's expanded throughout the neighborhood. He's done all of his neighbors' yards too. A lot of his neighbors' yards. I love it. Look at that. Oh, this is so cool. From this angle, it's just all the way down. But it's beautiful in the spring.
While we were here, we decided we had to contribute a little bit, so we got out our gardening implements.
Yeah, we are very skilled gardeners.
And I even have to get out a special tool to do a little fine-tuning here.
Oh, yeah, I just need a little trim.
Just a little bit. Pearl Fryar has been the subject of a documentary, A Man Named Pearl, and it's been highly acclaimed.
So we are exploring South Carolina. We have more adventures coming your way. I won!